Curious sort of what drew you to KETOS, what sort of benefits you're seeing out of the platform today.
Well, yeah, I mean, like I mentioned earlier, the what initially drew us was the potential for labor savings. Which as an example, the first application for the KETOS unit, we had that installed in tandem with a treatment system that was semi-automated, in that it will detect water flow and then kick on chemical pumps in order to dose that water with the required amount of chemical. Um, and the reason it was semi-automated, though, is that we still needed to have a person out there to run regular water quality tests in order to verify that our dosing was appropriate. Were we hitting our key, or our KPIs? What KETOS enabled us to do was remove that person, or remove that job from the over. Sorry, how do you say? Remove that job position from the overall project.
Right.
So it's still part of a larger project, but that particular process that used to have a dedicated guy 24 hours a day has now been eliminated because we have the reliable automated data that enables us to keep an eye on things and make adjustments as needed. But we don't need someone going to grab samples and analyze them.